quick one. Let's quickly attend to this question. And this question is an extract from the topic electrical power. And this electrical power simply means what? The energy liberated per second in a device. Now, this is a device, and we are asked to calculate the total power drawn from the cell. So when you look at this cell now, you will observe that these two resistors, or rather resistance, are what? In parallel. But before we will go further, note that the formula we use in calculating electrical power is what? Current times the voltage, okay? Or voltage power 2 over what? Over the resistance, or I squared, which is the current times what? The resistance. Okay, and note that current is measured in ampere, while V is measured in volt. Resistance is in what? In ohms. So for us to calculate this question, for us to compute for the total power drawn, we will first of all simplify the what? The resistors that are what? In parallel. And the formula we use in calculating it is what? 1 over R is equal to 1 over R1. So this R1 stands for this, plus 1 over what? R2. Okay? But we have a shortcut. If you want to calculate this now, you can do it this way. This is the shortest format of doing it. The resistance is equal to, multiply this, 6 times 6 over the summation 6 plus what? 6, which is 6 times 6 will give us 36 ohms, over 6 plus this will give us what? 12. So when you simplify this, it will give us what? It will give us 3 ohms for the one that is in parallel. But we have the one that is in what? Series. And for us to obtain it now, the total resistance will become 3 ohms plus this one now, which is 6 ohms. It will give us what? 9 ohms. Okay. Now, the next thing that I will do now is this, the computation of the total power drawn. And the formula that we are going to apply now will be this. Power is equal to V squared over what? Over R. The next thing that I will do now will be substituting of the value, which is P is equal to, the volt is given as what? 2 volts. So I will write 2 power 2 means 12 times 12. 12 power 2 means 12 times 12. All over the total resistance, which is 9. Okay. Now, as it stands now, I will start simplifying. 3 will go. 3 divide this, it will give us 3. 3 divide this, it will give us 4. 3 divide 3, it will give us 1. 3 divide this, it will give us what? 4. So the total power, the power is equal to 4 times 4, which is 16. And note that power is measured in what? In watts. So answer to this question is what? 16 watts. But you can practice this. Let's just assume now that it is no longer what? 6 ohms. That what we have here is 4. And what we have here as well is 4 also. And this place is what? 4. While the volt remains the same. Practice this and drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to give my page a follow if you have not, and share to 5 so that your friends will benefit as well. Thank you. Bye bye.